Hello everyone! How well do you really know Spanish clothes? Let's put it to the test. I'll show you an image, and you will have to guess the correct word in Spanish. Let's see how far you can go. Let's start with T-shirt.
Camiseta.
Did you get it right? Keep track of your score and let me know in the comments.
Pantalones.
Next image.
Falda.
That was easy, right? Try this one.
Zapatos.
Don't worry, the level will get harder little by little.
Gorra.
You're doing great. Next one. How do you say jacket in Spanish?
Chaqueta.
And this?
Vestido.
One more. What's the Spanish word for socks?
Calcetines.
Coat.
Abrigo.
Last one before we raise the difficulty level. Do you know it?
Camisa.
Let's go with the medium level. Boots.
Botas.
Next image. What do you see?
Cinturón.
This one was tricky. Try this one.
Pijama.
How many have you gotten right so far? Gloves.
Guantes.
Can you guess the word scarf in Spanish?
Bufanda.
Let's see this one.
Sudadera.
A summer favorite. Do you know the word?
Bañador.
Next one. Pantyhose.
Medias.
Keep it up. Let's go with this one.
Zapatillas.
Last challenge before we enter hard mode. Do you know it?
Gafas de sol.
Let's go. What's the Spanish word for jumpsuit?
Mono.
And what's the word for suspenders?
Tirantes.
Have you ever worn a robe?
Bata.
This is a bra. What's its translation in Spanish?
Sujetador.
We're getting close to the end. You're doing a great job.
Zapatillas de casa.
Let's try with raincoat.
Chubasquero.
Only 3 left. What do you see?
Smoking.
And how do you say undershirt?
Camiseta interior.
Come on, one more.
Diadema.
Here is the last one.
Chaleco.
Congratulations! You made it to the end of the test. So tell us, how many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments. We'd love to know. See you in the next video.